I was hoping to get out here before the sun went down so you can see how beautiful that blue is. But you can still tell it looks really good. All of this looks perfect. See how crystal clear that is? All right, we are going on a quick test drive here. We have 37,660 miles on the odometer. Just sitting in this car is absolutely gorgeous. All of this looks brand new. This is a time capsule in here. Really, really nice. I have it in sport mode. I'm going to drop it into comfort on these back roads. That glass on that windshield, crystal clear. And some Mercedes-Benz glass. If you see any flickering on any of the screens and buttons, that's just in camera. That is not in person. When you apply the brakes, there's no shakes or shimmies. It shifts nice and smooth. That steering wheel is perfectly straight. You're gonna have your typical creaks with that convertible top. Nothing out of the ordinary though. And then check out this view. I love that color, that purple hue. It looks super cool. Barely getting on it. You can tell it wants to move out. Really, really nice. No complaints with drivability whatsoever. It feels like I'm driving a brand new car. Smells great in here. Everything feels nice. No complaints. Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. And this bay does not do this paint justice. That dark blue looks amazing. Here on that wheel, you see a light rash right there. Looking around the rest, that looks good. Center cap has a couple flaws there too. But for the age, that's a beautiful wheel. Typical swirls from just kind of everyday washing. Now keep in mind, we do offer paint correction here in-house, and we can get that looking really tip-top. Overall, nice and clean. That looks good. Around that edge, one tiny chip there, otherwise that looks good. That's in great condition. It looks nice. Looking at that wheel, unfortunately it does have some pretty heavy rash all the way around. And then this is a dark brown, beautiful on that top, no issues there. Looking at that headlight, that is crystal clear, looks really good. You're gonna have a couple rock chips. It's very minimal though. Scanning that hood. I see gonna see some little swirls and little scuffs. That's something that you would get paint corrected out. Like I said, that's something we do in-house. You can get a lot of that kind of marring and little flaws out. Looking at that front end, typical little rock impacts. See more, especially on the lower side. There is some damage there. Get up close, a little spider cracking on the edge. Little impacts there. Got a larger chip here. Looking at that lens, looks good. Do have a gash right there. You can see that. I'm losing my balance. That looks good. Wheel, unfortunately, has rash too. You're gonna have a little chip down there. That looks good. Mirror's clear. I mean, look at the lens. Crystal clear. Tell this car was definitely garaged and did not receive any sun damage. Gonna have a couple little fingernail scratches in that area. A little touch-up spot here, and you can see a scratch. That's probably the biggest spot, honestly. It's right here. Got a scratch there and one here. Looking at that wheel, a little bit of rash on that back side. Just kind of scanning around the rest of it. Looks really good. Then here on the tires, Dayco 2016. So they are due for an upgrade soon. Taillight looks good. Overall, that deck looks clean. That taillight looks amazing. Just kind of walking around that bumper. Looks good. Okay, checking out this interior. Absolutely incredible and very well preserved over all of these years. Really, really nice. Looking at that upper panel, just look how clean that is. Beautiful matte finish to it. Got the dark brown, kind of a chocolate brown. All of that looks amazing. Got the illuminated trim here. Couple light scuffs. That carpet's nice and clean. Got the all-weather mats. Carpet all in there. Looks super good. That bolster's in amazing condition. Look at that edge. A little bit of wear, but still very, very nice. Upper section looks good. That's in great condition. Check out the steering wheel. Beautiful wood grain. And I tell you how clean this is. Just look how close I'm getting and just how beautiful all of that looks. Love the gauges. Upper side of the dash looks amazing. Nice and clean. Very impressed with this interior. Here on this door panel, beautiful matte finish on all of that leather. Got the dark brown. I mean, getting up close to these buttons, just look how clean all of that is. That panel looks amazing. Overall, that trim looks good. Got the all-weather mats. I do see some scratches right there. I can zoom in. That bolster looks good. Looking at the edge here. Really clean. Seats are super soft. Great condition. This side of the console, that looks good. Glove box, nice and clean. Upper side of the dash. I mean, this is really, really nice. All of that has a beautiful matte finish to it. Very clean. When you open the trunk, you see that kind of pops up. Give you a little access in there. All of that looks amazing. I mean, very, very clean. Kind of check that out. Then you have this one button, rolls all the windows up. And check that out. That is amazing. Just looking in this car, sitting in it, it's kind of like a little time capsule. How beautiful that is. They don't make the gauges like that anymore. All that stainless. That looks really, really good. Let's check out this top here. Beautiful glass. It looks amazing. That trim looks really good. All of that is nice and clean. This paint is beautiful. That dark blue metallic. And scanning through this engine bay. It's in great condition. All the plastics look really good. I'm trying to get in close here. Even the underhood liner, that is really, really nice.